Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Friends, today I'll talk about a very important task, and this task is a must for every person who is growing vegetables on terrace. And that task is sterilization of the soil which we use in pots. All of you are aware that it's the month of September and the right time to start growing winter vegetables. But before we do that, we should spread the soil of the pots on the ground or on a polythene so that it can get heat of the sun. See these pots. One of them is already empty except a few leaves of spinach, and this other one had the plant of bottle gourd, if you remember. Now it has all dried up, and I'll remove it from here and will spread the soil on the ground. I have emptied both the pots and have spread the soil on the ground. I have emptied this pot too. And this pile is of cow dung compost. I have spread out this compost here too. The sunlight will destroy the harmful bacteria from both and will make the soil more productive. Before night, I had covered the soil and the compost as I was fearing rain. It didn't rain at night, but in the morning there were light showers, but my stuff was saved as I had covered it. I didn't have one big polythene, so I used some small ones and this plank of wood to cover this. I'll keep this here for a few days and will keep on turning the soil and the compost every day or even twice a day. In 3 to 4 days, it will be ready for use. I'll use the soil of these two half-cut drums too after sterilizing it for a few days. This is coco peat. I put a small part of the brick of coco peat in water in the morning only. Now it has bloated up. This also I'll put on the ground, and after it has dried, I'll keep it in sun for a few days. And friends, this is a pot full of sand. This also will be in the sun for a few days, and then I'll prepare the soil for the pots. Already there is coco peat and compost in this soil. The compost made out of my kitchen waste is also in this. So you can see how light it is. So there is no need to put a lot of coco peat and sand in this. I'll mix some coco peat, some sand and some compost in this soil. I'll also mix a handful of neem khali and sarson ki khali each in this, and the soil will be ready for use to grow winter vegetables. The question arises, why do we do this? See friends, the summer vegetables have already taken up almost all the nutrients of the soil, and we need to replenish these nutrients so that the next crop grows out to be very good. If you don't have much space, you can take a polythene and spread out the soil of pots on it one by one. Empty out one pot, sterilize the soil for 2-3 days. Fill up the pot after adding some coco peat, a little sand, some neem khali and sarson ki khali in the soil, and repeat this procedure for every pot. But you must do this process of sterilizing the soil to get a good crop. After the winter vegetables, we'll do it again for summer vegetables. In my next video, I'll show you the vegetables which I'll grow directly from seeds and the ones I'll grow after making saplings from seeds. So please subscribe to my channel to stay connected. And friends, if you have liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. So friends, bye for now. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.